Welcome back, everyone. This is JP Trades. Let's jump back into a morning update for Bitcoin. New York is about to open, and let's get ready for our day. We're here in the 4 hour. We can see that we have not done a whole lot. We are really just kind of winding up an internal structure of this range here, and it pretty much in the middle of this range here as well. So it's not the best area. However, I can say that we are a little bit more in the premium section of this range, of our bigger 4 hour range. So I'm still biased on my shorts to at least take down to this area or this area here. And what we are looking for, as I've mentioned on previous updates, are we going to find ourselves a new higher low for a new higher high? I'm also kind of looking at this here as a tap one, tap two. Can we get a tap three somewhere in here? Maybe knock out this naked point of control, maybe come down a little bit further for that tap two, and then run up to the highs. However, we also have the ability to come down and have a tap one, tap two, and a potential tap three in this area for a Wyckoff Model 1 to create another high. So I'm still looking at these areas below us for a higher low in the 4 hour market structure that we're looking at. Let's first take a look at volume, see how it is developing, and see if anything's changed. Really hasn't. We see that a lot of volume is really kind of building up here and here at the value area low, but we have a big valley right around this area here that it could come down and just create a smaller range like this, but right in here. And then at that point, I would want to see if this point of control shifts down, if we build a lot of volume here, which means, hey, we're finding support. Let's go down to the 15-minute and let's take a look at some of these scalps and day trades because nothing else has changed as far as the macro perspective. Everything is still the same. Yesterday, I did get the short from here. However, I missed this long as I was busy and I didn't get a chance to enter into this long from here up to VWAP like I was suggesting in the VIP Discord. However, we can see that this was not a very good low. We did have some lower time frame Model 2s here, and it wasn't the best. I didn't really like it because we didn't really make a very, very strong low, but we did have a Model 2 here, followed by another Model 2. You basically had a range, then came and made a new range, then you broke out. So we did catch that right up to VWAP, tried to break through, couldn't really reclaim it strong enough, and you fell back through. And then you came in and actually put a stronger low in. So I actually do like this low better than this one. You just swept all the liquidity from here, which is a nice move. But now I'm kind of looking at this entire thing as a new range. And this could be your tap one, tap two, and then looking for a tap three for a potential Model 2 Wyckoff. However, we have left this naked point of control behind. I would rather price make its way down here, hit that naked point of control, come back into the range, and then trade the range rotation and maybe hold some to take out these highs and the naked points of control further up. So right now, I'm just kind of watching to see what this does. I'm not getting involved just yet. We do have news at 10 a.m. for Jolts Tomorrow's the FOMC, of course. So this could be kind of a boring day until tomorrow. And to be honest with you, it might be the last. I need to set an alarm here real quick. This might be the last week of the year that we really have some nice trades, because it's that time of year again where things can potentially get a bit boring, sideways, rangy action. However, I am a master at trading ranges. So, and that's where I make the most of my money. So I welcome it. However, I might move over into some altcoins throughout the rest of the year and maybe into the first week or second week of January, as they have a little bit more movement. But I'm going to be keeping my eyes out on everything. I probably won't be touching gold and silver and ES